Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to 100 Days of Halloween. We are on day 7. No, day 8. Day 8. So 92 days until Halloween. Yay! So last night we watched Peacock. It ended up not being a scary movie, but I thought it was a kind of good movie. And so if you are not watching the movies I recommend because you don't like horror movies, you might like this one. It's not scary or gory. It just ended up being a decent movie. It's called Peacock on FreeVee. It was on FreeVee. I give it 1 thumb up. I would watch it again if it ever popped up and I was like, I might watch it again just to see what I missed, because it took me a little while to figure out what was going on. But I'm not going to just go into detail about the movie in case you didn't watch it and you decide to. I thought it was a pretty good movie. And like I said, I give it 1 thumbs up. So what did I make? I made a brain slug from Futurama. These are so easy. Like, I had the pattern memorized after the first time. They're so easy. I will leave the tutorial link down below. So if you want to make you a brain slug, you can. I made three or four for the market that I did, and I had to restock. So there you go. They sold pretty good. So what's today's movie? Today's movie is The Night of the Hunter on FreeVee. So let me know if you're gonna watch it. Let me know what you're working on. And did you watch Peacock? And let me know what you thought of it. If you thought it was a pretty good movie. And I'm going to let you go. Stay spooky, and I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah.